I am small and green. I have 4 legs. I live nearby the pond. I can jump and I eat insects. I am a bird. I am black and white. I can't fly, but I can swim. I lay eggs. I am a very big and gray. I can run, but I can't climb up the tree. I have a long trunk. I am tall. My body is brown with spots. I've got a long neck. I've got small ears. I eat leaves. I am big and blue. I'm a mammal. I live in the ocean. I can swim. I am a small animal. I have 4 legs. I've got long ears. I love carrots. I have 4 legs. I have a beautiful tail. I love to eat grass and cones. I can run very fast. I am brown. I have a long tail. I can climb up the tree. I like eating bananas.